Hello, welcome to Astronomy Spotlight for December. My name is Kirk Rosberg. I'm the Planetarium Coordinator here at the Hastings Museum. And this month, the king of the planets, Jupiter, the largest planet in the solar system, is at opposition on December 7th. Here in our planetarium sky, it is set for about 6:30 on December 7th. And as you can see, Jupiter is low in the east at that time. Opposition means it will shine at its brightest magnitude minus 2.8, and it will rise at sunset and set at sunrise, very similar to the full moon. Also on the 7th, the ringed planet Saturn, with its bright yellowish color, will be very close to the moon, while Venus shines very brightly at magnitude minus 4.2 in the southwest, and all of this happens before 7 p.m. Now, as I advance a couple of days, from December 9 through 12, Venus, Saturn, the Moon, and Jupiter form a nearly straight line from the southwest to the east in the early evening sky. So this is the 9th. There is the 10th. There is the 11th. And the 12th. Astronomers call this path that the sun, moon, and the planets appear to travel along the ecliptic. And this is, of course, also where the 12 constellations of the zodiac are found. So a little while after Venus sets on the 10th, maybe 2 or 3 hours, Mars begins to rise in the east-northeast. So we got Saturn, we've got the moon, we've got Jupiter, and now on the 10th we've got Mars rising right there. Up, I would say well before 10:30. At least at this particular time. And then on the evening of the 13th, right there, Jupiter, the moon, and the bright red star Aldebaran form a beautiful little triangle high in the sky. Speaking of triangles, the winter triangle is just below Jupiter, the moon, and Aldebaran. It is composed of the bright red star Betelgeuse in Orion the Hunter, white Procyon in the constellation of Canis Minor, the little dog, and Sirius, the brightest star in the night sky in Canis Major, Orion's bigger dog. On December 17th, around 11 to 11:30 p.m., it just so happens that the moon and Mars are going to be very close together, about not quite halfway up in the eastern sky. So, and while you're looking at the red planet, also look for the other two bright red objects, stars in this case, with Aldebaran and Betelgeuse. And just let me turn on the labels here real quick. Turn everything on. So Betelgeuse and Aldebaran are also red. Of course, Mars is red. So it's a good time to compare the rednesses of these three objects to see which one is actually the reddest. Mars can be very red, but as it gets closer to the Earth and closer to opposition, it tends to be much more orange. So look at those three red objects and just know that there is, in fact, a lot of color in the night sky. And thank you for watching Astronomy Spotlight. Join me again next month for another edition.